Hello! Today I want to show you how to put together our craft that goes with this book. I know an old lady who swallowed a fly. She swallows a lot of things, and we want to show that with our craft today. So let me show you how we will put this together. You need your picture of the old lady and all of the animals that she swallows. I colored my pictures with marker, and now I'm ready to get started. First, I'm going to cut out all of the animals. All right, I have all of my animals cut out. Now let me show you what we will do with the old lady. I want to cut this inner circle right here because that is her belly, and I want to see inside her belly. You might need your mom or dad to help you with this. We're going to try not to cut through the lady, but just her belly. So I'm going to make a small hole in the middle of my paper and then cut out her belly like this. All right, now we can see into her belly. This will be perfect. So the one other thing that we need for this craft is a plastic bag. Any plastic bag will do, something that you would have in your kitchen. Here's my lady. I'm going to turn her around. I want my plastic bag to hang on the back of my picture, with the bottom of the plastic bag close to the bottom of the lady. So if I look at this here, my bag is a little long, so I'm going to cut it. Okay. Here we go. And now my bag hangs about as long as my lady. To attach the bag to my paper, I'm going to use tape. I'll go inside the bag here on this side, and tape, and maybe one more piece of tape on the other side. I want to make sure that my bag is stuck to the back of my paper. So now look, now our old lady has a belly that we can see into. So let's think. In the beginning of the story, what is the first thing that the lady swallows? She swallows a fly. Let's find the fly and have our old lady swallow the fly. Here's my fly. Now what we can do is drop the fly into the bag. And now we can see the fly inside of her belly. What does she swallow next? I think it's the spider. Let's find the spider. Do you remember? We'll drop the spider down into her belly. And we can see the spider now in her belly. Do you remember the spider wriggled and jiggled and tickled inside her? And we'll continue with the book, adding the animals as the old lady swallows them. It's very fun. I hope you enjoy this project. I'll see you later. Bye.